Love iced tea. Whether you enjoy classic black tea, refreshing green tea, or flavorful herbal blends, having the right iced tea maker can make brewing effortless and enjoyable. In this video, we've rounded up the best iced tea makers that offer convenience, great taste, and ease of use. Whether you're looking for a simple pitcher-style brewer or a high-tech machine, we've got you covered. Stick around to find the perfect one for your needs. Number 1. Takeya's Flash Chill technology produced delicious iced tea for us in just 30 seconds, ensuring guests and family won't have to wait for refreshments. If you find that someone in your household frequently leaves the pitcher empty, this tea maker will get you replenished before you can make it to the porch. The fine mesh infuser works with loose and bagged teas, keeping the tea leaves from escaping, and a handy holder for the infuser comes with the unit, keeping it from making a mess when removed from the pitcher. The ample size of the infuser can accommodate fruit or herbs as well, making it easy to jazz up your brew. The clean and modern design of the Takeya is simple enough to blend into any kitchen, giving it a premium feel. The screw-on lid is airtight, keeping tea fresh in the refrigerator for several days. Available in 4 fun colors: blueberry, black, avocado, and raspberry, the Takeya can easily work with any aesthetic, and its thin profile makes it easy to store for chilling or in a taller cabinet. Number 2. Altura the Tube Plus. Constructed of stainless steel, the Altura the Tube Plus is a versatile filter, designed for use with a 64-ounce wide-mouth mason jar. Simply fill the Tube Plus with your favorite bag or loose tea and place it into the mason jar, then add water and refrigerate 12 to 24 hours. The lip of the filter rests securely on the opening of the jar, keeping all the loose bits from leaching into the jar, while effectively brewing a light and refreshing tea, less concentrated than a hot brewed version. In addition to tea, you can easily make cold brew coffee, infuse oils with your favorite herbs, create alcohol infusions, or make fruit-infused water. The magic of the Altura is its uncomplicated design, a single piece, easy to use and simple to store. Though a mason jar is the recommended vessel, if it fits in another container, it will brew there as well. Number 3. Primula the Big Iced Tea Maker. The largest model we tested, the Primula the Big Iced Tea Maker's 1-gallon carafe makes catering to a crowd easy. Ideal for large families, avid tea fans, and big entertainers, the Big Iced Tea Maker has only 3 parts: carafe, fine mesh infuser, and lid. The clear Triton plastic carafe is shatterproof and accommodates both hot and cold beverages, while the lid and handle come in a variety of colors including red, green, aqua, and black, fitting easily into any decor. Though the infuser fits securely in the pitcher, we did find it allowed a few leaves to escape into the tea when the pitcher was moved around. The large size of the carafe may be challenging to store in some refrigerator doors, but can easily slide into the main shelves. Listed as top-shelf dishwasher safe, it may also be too large to fit in the shallow top rack, but we found it easy to clean by hand. Number 4. Capresso Iced Tea Maker. If an electric model appeals to you, the Capresso Iced Tea Maker is just the ticket, making 2.5 quarts of iced tea in just 10 minutes. Attractively designed in bright white, the Capresso features a clear glass carafe that doubles as an attractive storage and serving vessel. The Capresso comes together like a standard coffee maker with a reusable filter basket that can accommodate bagged and loose teas without leaching any leaves into the tea. A brew strength dial allows you to choose a range from mild to strong for your ideal brew, and the machine simply turns on with one button and shuts off completely when the tea is done. Though ultra-convenient, the Capresso was the most expensive model we tested, and the tea quality was a little bitter compared to the tea from the manual models. If storage is a concern, the Capresso may be too large for standard cabinets. The filter basket also showed stains after a few batches. However, the basket and carafe are dishwasher safe, which we liked. Number 5. Ovalware Cold Brew Maker. Sleek and space-efficient, the Ovalware Cold Brew Maker features a borosilicate glass carafe capable of brewing with hot water when time is an issue and cold water, if you can let it brew overnight. The leak-free seal blocks any tea from leaking while pouring, and the stainless steel infuser allows both bagged and loose tea, keeping sediment out of the tea very well. A silicone pad on the bottom of the carafe keeps it anchored well, so it doesn't slide on the counter or table, and the etched measurements on the pitcher make getting the exact ratio of water to tea easy for tea enthusiasts. The modest size of the ovalware is great for limited refrigerator or storage space, but a little disappointing if you want a larger batch of tea. All of the parts are dishwasher safe for easy cleanup, and the ovalware is also great for cold brew coffee.